video started. Oh, you got a knife?
You should use that. Use the corkscrew.
Corkscrew? Okay. Triple threads.
Epic corkscrew.
Corkscrew. That did not work very well.
Nobody's ever used the corkscrew.
Corkscrew. There we go. Alright. How do we open this shiznit? There we go.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Let's take a look at this. If you get that little fold out bitch,
That'd be nice.
I'll nut. I'll nut all over it.
Alright.
Because you won't have anything to hold it in.
First pack.
Feels thick.
That's a pretty thick card. It might be a patch. I don't know. I mean, I think that's thicker than normal. We'll find out. Look at that right there. It's pretty thick.
Yeah,
pretty thick.
You're right.
I have no idea.
Alright, we'll take 2 from the back. That's what the pros do. Barry Larkin, Baseball Tonight analyst. Joe Morgan, ESPN announcer.
Yeah.
Chase Utley.
Kurt Schilling.
Tim Lincecum. Alright, we're going to take the back card first. Roberto Alomar. And first one, jersey card of Ryan Zimmerman, 7 of 9.
Whoa.
That's nice.
At least it's low numbered. That's pretty sweet.
Short
actually.
print.
That's really short print.
Alright, here we go.
This is a patch. It's gotta be. Come on, look how thick that is.
I think that's Pittsburgh. 3 of 3.
Clemente. No.
Andrew McCutcheon.
McCutcheon. Come on. Thick.
Patches.
Oh.
Nice. Andrew McCutcheon, 3 of 3.
Shake much, Dan?
Triple patch autograph. I have weak forearms.
There you see it. Oh, that's sick.
That's a very nice card. It's the Corkscrew Mojo.
Now you get one for like a little box.
Then, well, this one will be an autograph card like this, and the other one it'll be just like a triple relic like that without an autograph.
2 in there too?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's crazy.
This thing is like thicker than normal. Like, I don't know. No, it'll probably fit.
McCutcheon's the boss black person.
These are just jerseys. We're just gonna not skip the back cards because that just takes too long. Duke, Starlin, Smoltz, Aramis Ramirez, yuck. Cubs, 17 of 50.
And they use the old ass
Yeah, this the shiny one. And Sandy Koufax.
That's cool.
Bats, 10 of 27. And then Jackie and Hayward. All right, that was quick, but that's it. Bye. And we're back. Didn't realize it says on the back too, Sandy Koufax. What does it say on the front? 3-time Cy Young, 10 of 27, 1965, 382 strikeouts. So there's that. Didn't even realize it. So there it is. Now, this time, for real, goodbye.